Our machines are engaging, easy to use, and draw in curious onlookers by the minute. They're designed to inspire interest and whimsy and create beloved treats with the expert precision only made possible by robotic technology. Say goodbye to human error. Our eye-catching, whimsical, and one-of-a-kind snack vendors prove just how exciting the future of automation can be. Malls, boardwalks, resorts, hotels, restaurants, or any existing business's revenue will be supercharged by the dazzling experience Sweet Robo delivers.